Hollywood maintenance again. Open up this door to the laundry room, and what's happening is it shuts all by itself. A ghost door. I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to do that, so this way it could stay open. We're going to pop this top pin. Hit it here. Pop the top pin out all the way. Move the door a little bit. Then I'm gonna take it outside to the balcony, and I'm probably going all the way down to the concrete. But you can. This is metal, it'll work. I'm gonna set it here, hopefully don't drop it. Put it like this, then we're gonna hammer it right about here. Now we're just gonna put it back in. Take it back. Open it. Now it's not shutting on its own. Thanks for watching.